So what's up guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Revealer. And guys, today we're gonna talk about the all new Vivo S7 Pro. And guys, this phone will be a successor of the previously launched Vivo S6 Pro 5G. And guys, as you know, the Vivo S series are always known for the premium design and futuristic technology, and the phone will follow all that specs. And we also get to see a quad camera of 64 megapixel primary lens, and the phone will come with a stylish finishing of glass as well as a 32 megapixel selfie camera for better images and hi-fi portrait shots. And guys, this phone will also support bokeh selfies. And guys, in the performance, this phone is a beast because it comes with the Exynos chipset version as well as a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, which will support 5G. And guys, this phone also comes with the 8GB RAM variant as well as a 128GB of onboard storage. And the screen size is massive as it comes with a 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display, which will support HDR10 plus, and this will make your multimedia content more good and you can easily enjoy your favorite games and movies. And the phone is also coming with amazing storage icons, as the next variant is of 256 gigabytes, and this is expandable even to 1 terabyte with the micro SD card. And the charging speed is high as it charges your phone into just 38 minutes. And guys, it also comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and this will easily last your day. And the phone is also supported with the in-display fingerprint scanner for better security preferences. And guys, the phone is also coming with the Type-C port and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And guys, the phone is always known for its premium quality and high-end specs. This phone might release within November 2020, and the price is about 70 to 80,000 PKR because it is a flagship level smartphone, and the specifications and all this stuff are just amazing in the phone. And guys, that's for today. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to comment and share your opinions. And guys, please stay home and stay safe because coronavirus has become a serious problem. Till that time, take care. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.